Hey jewellers, it's Hannah and I'm back with another sneak peek inside one of our popular books. This month it's all about the Encyclopedia of Wire Jewellery Techniques by Sara Withers. It's perfect for both beginners right up to the more advanced jewellery makers, packed full of easy to follow projects with clear photography. You'll learn all of the core wire techniques as well as gaining an understanding of the basic tools needed. Each technique has in-depth instructions with photos and top tips along the way. A wide range of techniques are covered, including how to create loops, make chains, create your own findings such as ear wires, to then moving on to creating decorative shapes to make unique pieces of jewellery. Sara also covers how to use wire to decorate beads, as well as donuts and more unusual shaped stones. There's even a section on knitting and crochet techniques too. It's really exciting to play around and experiment with wire, and this book proves that there are so many ways to get creative in making interesting and one-of-a-kind designs. Plus, if you have a stone that you're unsure of how to transform into a piece of jewellery, this book likely has the answer. Whether you want to make bracelets, earrings, brooches, rings or pendants, you'll have all the inspiration and guidance you need to get started with confidence. And not only does it cover wire wrapping, but also the first steps into the silversmithing world, covering basic tools, soldering as well as guidance on making chains and rings. If that's not enough to spark your creativity, there's also a beautiful gallery of designs to finish. Let us know if you'll be adding this read to your bookshelf, and don't forget to browse our range of metal wire, tools and sparkly gemstones online at Kernowcraft.com.